The cycle of our understanding for the characteristic of the biofilm, we will also start here to discuss the accumulation of antibiotic degenerating enzymes in this matrix in the mushroom head. There are accumulation happen for example, for the beta lactamase in the biofilm matrix. And this accumulation start to play the role of defense against the impact of antibiotic. Let's see for the studies what's already provide for us. For example, in the Pseudomonas aeruginosa, biofilm matrix accumulated beta lactamase, which lead for increased hydrolysis of antibiotics such as imipenem or ceftazidime. So this is again recorded in the inability of the ampicillin to reach deeper in the layer of Klebsiella pneumonia biofilm, which is already associated with increase the concentration of beta lactamase. And this lead for inability of the ampicillin to reach deep layers within these layers of the biofilm, and of course lost its ability to produce the impact. Look here for this revision, a little bit old study. It's published 2008, but it gives us insights about the correlation between biofilm production and multiple drug resistant in imipenem resistant clinical isolates from the Acinetobacter. In this study, we come to see that based on the article, we also verified association between biofilm and the presence of extended spectrum beta lactamase, particularly BLA-PR1. So this accumulation of these defenses lost or removed the ability of antibiotic to perform its works. So this is not the only characteristic. So in the first part, we talk about the layers, and these layers make a physical barriers. The second characteristic we discuss about the accumulation of this biochemical agents such as the beta lactamase, and the third one, what we'll discuss later, which is the DNA and the biofilm matrix. This is Dr. Abdul Karim Blasi. Thank you very much for watching this video and stay with us.